YouTube, I'm back here today with another video. Right now, I'm at my grandma's house, but that's okay. I got my sister over there acting crazy.
Girl, I'm not crazy.
You wish you wasn't. Okay, today we're going to be testing. I already opened the back, but we're going to be testing to see which gummy bears are the best. Okay, let me take them out and see the colors they got. Okay.
What was my phone on? It's on 5%. My phone about to die.
Okay. We have this color right here.
Shut up.
This is the same color as
Go
that
on my
one.
post.
We have orange. We have cherry. Hold on. Comment down below to and tell me if these two are the same colors. Okay.
She's slow. Come on,
and we have this color right here.
Shane, you hear me?
About to get the other ones.
My phone on 5%.
Green, purple, blue. This one.
I'm greedy.
Okay, I'm gonna put this color. I think this is a pink. I don't know, but we're gonna put this one down.
I need my charger. My phone about to go dead. My mom said we're trying to be too.
And then we're gonna put this one down.
No, go coming out.
Great.
And I took my braids out.
And then I'm gonna put this one. Then we're gonna put the blue one.
I'm gonna come back. Hold on.
Then we're gonna put this dark green. Hold on. They got one more. And this light green.
What you mean y'all couldn't get up and get the booty out of the thing, put the clothes in the machine? What's wrong with y'all?
Oh, Janai told me to sit down.
I did not. Why are you lying on me?
Girl, I'm not lying.
Okay, first we're gonna try this one.
My phone about to die. Eee. Smell like dumb cookies.
It tastes like, I don't know.
I'm like, mama.
It tastes kind of weird.
What was in my phone? My phone about to die.
It's sweet. Like, it tastes like oranges and lemons mixed up together. That's kind of weird, but on to this one. I tasted all of them already. I think this one is lemon.
I can see y'all, huh?
That's definitely lemon. I'm gonna try the orange one. We already know what that tastes like, so. Okay, I'm going to get you a bite of the next one.
I need a charger.
It's right there.
I mean, I need a plug. There's a close right here. That's right here. I know it's there. And it's way over there. I don't know what's close over there.
They got one right there.
Yeah, Mama
Taste
got a
this
stitcher
one.
card. A stitcher card.
Tastes good, right? I'm just playing. You guys can have this one. I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to put it right there.
What you
It's my
say?
little gummy bear friend. Come on, girl. Let me show you my YouTubers.
Hey, y'all. Hey. Hey. Hey.
She's real crazy, so don't. Okay. Ooh, that was sweet. Got this pink one. When I just ate, it was cherry, I guess. I don't know what this one is, but let's taste it and see what kind it is. It's stinking now?
Huh?
It's stinking now?
No. Why you said that? You childish. You childish.
Pink lemonade. That's what it is. It's pink lemonade. Ooh.
How you doing? My phone about to die.
Of course, we all know this is great. So, let's eat it.
Oh, no.
Don't taste like, well, yes it do. It tastes like grape, but at the same time it don't to me. We got blueberry.
Man, this song pisses me off. It's not funny. Oh, you have to hard. Oh, she cute.
We got this one right
Oh,
here.
you got that look up in your eye. What do you want, BJ?
Why was you laughing, but you wasn't smiling when you were laughing? I know y'all hear my sister in the background. She's real funny.
Yeah, I'm a comedian. Like, what am I looking at?
We have green apple right here. I think.
My brother. Hey, y'all. My brother got my nerves.
Sour apple. This has to be the regular green apple.
What you want, little boy? I was just talking about you, but what you want? Huh? Hey, wait.
It's the regular. No.
Wait.
That was the sour apple. The other one was the regular.
Girl, you don't get a sour apple. I need a fart.
Okay. Thank you, Mama. Okay,
Take
I still have
About
y'all,
what?
our
About
little
what?
gummy friend right here. I'm not going to eat him. Y'all gonna see him in the next video. Y'all might, if one of my siblings don't eat him. Y'all gonna see him in the next
Oh, that's
video.
hot. Ooh, smell. Hey, he
Okay,
hot.
I'm gonna end the video right here because I have to eat my food.
You might post it on YouTube?
I have to eat my food.
Dang, no, you might post it on YouTube.
I have boudin and chips.
I'm fine that.
Oh, and I have some Mountain Dew. Comment. Okay, subscribe to my channel.
Oh,
Go subscribe to me and my sister's channel, SNN.
yeah.
Go subscribe to our
Hey,
channel,
y'all
SNN.
Hey, Cheyenne, go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, SNN. Me and my sister's YouTube channel, SNN. And
Who in the background?
And make sure to like our videos, comment on our videos, subscribe to our channel, but
Hey, Renee.
mostly like my
What
videos,
What you mean? Who
subscribe
in
to
the
my
background?
channel,
It's my sister.
and comment on my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Gummy, you gonna give them a kiss? Yeah? Okay, I'm out, y'all. Peace.